Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect Privy to your Shopify store. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, you need to connect your Shopify account here, and you should be on the backend of Shopify. And on search, you need to write sort out by apps and write Privy, right? And then you will be redirected to another page here, and it will be the first option: Privy, pop-ups, email, and SMS, and buy Privy. So press on that, add app. We need to wait for a few seconds, and then what you need to do here next, on the top right corner, it should be install app. Press on that, and then we need to wait here, and here you need to set up your account, and once you set up, you will be connected to Privy, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.